Okay, so welcome. This is Nubian Queen. So this is something that I haven't done before. I'm actually recording myself for YouTube, and I'm also recording myself on the Anchor Spotify podcast. So today's the first day of this, what am I going to call it? Detox. So it's a 7-day detox, and it's from a wonderful woman goes by the name of Queen Afua. And so she has a number of books called Heal Thyself. Well, let's see. Sacred Women by Queen Afua. And then there's another book. I know I'm making crackling noise for the podcast. Heal Thyself. Okay. So I'm showing it on YouTube. And then the other one's called Sacred Women. So, I don't know, I think I was even a little bit hesitant to show or share this experience because, Christians out there, they're like, oh, nah, some things are woo-woo. You have to look that term up yourself. But anyway, she has a kit that I purchased for, a certain amount of money. And you had to get it by, there was a deadline, and I ordered it in time for it to start for today. So the first product is a Master Herbal, and it really is just different blends of different types of teas. So I know we've all had different types of teas that'll cleanse you out. In case you wanted to do this with me, or do it yourself at a different time. So that was one thing. You're supposed to drink that tea 3 times a day, I believe. And then there's also something called Green Life, which has a lot of different greens in it. And let's see here if I can. All right, so what it has in there is spirulina, wheatgrass, psyllium husk, and flaxseed. So it's nicely packaged. So I'm sure that there's a lot of people that are out there that can, make their own products, but that's very time consuming. And then there's another one that's for your colon, inner ease, and it actually has like a vitamin E and olive oil. And there was something else in here. Let's see if I can find it as I'm being recorded. I can't slow down the time. Oh goodness, there's 3 things in here, and my eyes cannot focus fast enough. Castor oil. So I did taste it, and it does remind you of castor oil and olive oil mixed together. And then there's something really neat, like a breath analogy, and she tells you what it's all for. So this little tiny thing, which is so cute, it only holds about, 7 days worth, but it looks like it's about 3 ounces. That's, but it has, I want to say eucalyptus and peppermint, I believe it is. Yeah, but it's good for asthma and sinuses and all these different things, and bad breath and congestion. So all these good things, and of course you take a little dab of it on your tongue, and it's like, woo! So it's like your mouth is catching on fire, but whew, 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 whew. You can feel it in your nose, you can feel it almost in your eyes, and you can feel it going all the way down your throat and down through your lungs to your stomach. That's exhilarating. So you have to try that yourself. Don't try this at home alone. Just kidding. And then there's an herbal laxative, which is supposed to do at nighttime around 8 p.m.-ish. So I haven't taken it yet because I want to take it here. You all, if you're watching YouTube later, you'll see it. So that's 1, 2. So I might have to record that one in the morning to tell you how fast that works. And then the last product, because I want to keep this fast and quick, is clay. So I'm supposed to be able to put this on my face. Some people say, can I put it on my stomach? Can I put it on? So it's supposed to be able to draw out the toxins and wake up in the morning and then just take a shower. All right, so that was quick, fast, and easy. Hopefully for the next 7 days, I can remember to come on and give you a fast update of what's going on with the 7-day detox. All right, thanks for joining. This is Nubian Queen. Peace and blessings. Ciao for now. Bye-bye.